Hello guys, in the previous video we learned about the print command which can print any text you give it. But today we're going to learn about the user input command, which is the command that can take input from the user, or in this case you. First we write user input 1, which is a variable. A variable can store any data you wanted, then equals input and two parentheses. Input is the command itself that will take information from you. Then what's cool is inside these parentheses, you can put two quotes to tell it its little text and write something like username. And then as you can see, when we run it, it will ask us for a username, which can type anything like admin. Now it takes that information and stores it in user input 1. So then we can print it. So print, and this time we do not need the quotes. So we just write user input 1 without the quotes. And as you can see, when you write it, admin, as you can see, it prints admin then. And this will work with anything. So like Jeff. And as you can see, it does. Now in the next video, we'll learn how to make it respond differently if you type different things. So like it will say correct, incorrect. Bye.